Be a millionaire without money. Doesn't it sound ridiculous? But it's possible. We all know that money is necessary to become a millionaire. Without money, we are nothing. We cannot be anything. But think about it a little differently. If you really want to become a millionaire, you must have a millionaire mindset. You need to think like a millionaire's think. Just say, if a millionaire's thoughts were the same as yours, they would never have become millionaires. They would have been an ordinary person like you. Of course, they have a different mindset or a different way of thinking that maybe you don't. So in this video, I'll talk about 7 mindset of millionaires. Which if you follow, you'll definitely a future millionaire. The first thing is invest yourself. Suppose you have some money. Now what to do with this money? Of course, you will use that money to buy your favorite things like expensive phone, bike, and spend that money, right? I will say, please don't do that. Invest in yourself to improve your skills. Obviously, you will use that money to buy your favorite things, but also invest in yourself to improve your skills. Example, you don't know how to drive a car. So if you have money, take a driving course. And suppose you can't speak English properly, then spend your money on learning English. So basically, you have to spend money on yourself to improve your skills. This is one of the most important mindset of a millionaire. Second thing is not going to the trend. Don't make yourself like a flock of sheep. You know that in a group of sheep, where one sheep goes, everyone runs. So they follow each other. Don't be like the flock. Don't do what everyone else does. What do you do what everyone did? Try to walk little different path yourself. See what happens if you take a different path. Make a different decision. Create a mindset of taking a little risk in your life. Third, fix the goal. What is your goal? Fix it in advance. Suppose an untargeted ship is released into the ship. Now where will that ship go? He has no set goals. He may get lost midway or drown in a storm. So if you don't want to sink like a ship, then clearly fix a goal in your life and keep moving forward according to the goal. 4. Smart work. There was a proverb that hard work is the key of success. You will work hard for your success, but what you have to do beside hard work is to do smart work. If you work smart along with hard work, no one can stop your success. You will definitely reach your destination. Number 5. Consistently work. Consistency must be in your action or behavior. You are doing this now. After a while, you find that you don't like it, so you leave it and start another things. Then you did something else the other day. In this way, you keep doing one thing after another. If your behavior or working style is like this, then you will never be successful. You cannot become a successful person. You should know that. Success doesn't come in overnight. It takes time. It takes consistency more than a hard work. So if you start something, don't give up soon. Be patient until you succeed. Number 6. Money deposit mindset. You must have the mindset to save your money. Don't spend all your income. Let's assume your monthly income is $100. Save $10 from there. Means save 10% of your monthly income. Then invest that money somewhere else. This saving mindset will make you a millionaire one day. And last thing is take care of your health. If you forget to take care of your body in order to become a millionaire, it will be your biggest mistake in your life. Take care of yourself and your health. If your body isn't healthy, what will you do as a millionaire? How will you enjoy your life? So keep your body healthy and strong. Remember one thing, health is wealth.